Hello partner, Mink is back again with new topic of sizing requirements for menswear. Let's understand what are garment measurements. Across shoulder, chest, front length, waist and hip measurements. Now let's understand what all are body measurements. To fit waist and to fit hip measurements. Points to remember while filling sizing columns. As mentioned in all headers, in sizing columns all measurements should be in inches. Brand size will be the size as per the brand. And standard sizes will be as per Myntra requirements. Both can be same or can be different as well. We need round chest, waist to fit waist, hip and pajama waist measurements. Also, chest, waist to fit waist, hip, pajama waist measurements will always be in ascending order. To fit is body measurement will be less than garment measurements if fabric is not stretchable. For stretchable fabric, we need relaxed measurements. For men's apparel, chest measurements required. We do not need bust measurements. Across shoulder measurements are mandatory for all topwear apparel. Do not delete any column or edit headers. Now, let's understand required measurements for western topwears. T-shirt, shirt, jacket, sweater, sweatshirt, blazer and coat. We need across shoulder, chest and front length measurements. Rest all are not mandatory. Standard size should be in S, M, L, etc. for t-shirt, sweater, sweatshirt, jacket. And standard size should be collar size 38, 40, 42, etc. for blazer and coat. Now, let's check required measurements for ethnic topwears. Kurta. We need across shoulder, chest, front, length, waist and hip measurements. Rest all are not mandatory. Chest and hip measurements will always be more than waist. Standard size should be in S, M, L, etc. Following required measurements for kurta set. We need across shoulder, chest, front length, hip, inseam length, outseam length, pajama waist to fit waist and waist measurements. Rest all are not mandatory. Standard size should be in S, M, L, etc. Please note, pajama waist and to fit waist should be filled as per bottom wear closure and waistband. If waistband is elasticated, pajama waist will be less than to fit waist. Whereas, if it is a drawstring closure, pajama waist will be more and to fit waist will be less. Waist is a kurta waist and hence it will be more than to fit waist. Now let's understand required measurements for sherwani. We need across shoulder, chest, front length, hip, inseam length, waist and to fit measurement. Rest all are not mandatory. Standard size should be in S, M, L, etc. To fit waist should be filled as per bottom wear closure and waistband. Following are required measurements for clothing set. We need across shoulder, chest, front length, inseam length, outseam length. To fit waist measurements, rest all are not mandatory. Standard size should be in S, M, L, etc. To fit waist should be filled as per bottom wear closure and waistband. If bottom wear is mundu or dhoti, in that case, we will need outseam length instead of inseam length. Required measurements for bottom wear. Jeans, trouser, track pant, shorts, dhotis. We need garment waist, inseam length and to fit waist, body waist. Standard size should be waist size 28, 32, 34, etc. for jeans, trousers, shorts. Standard size should be S, M, L for track pants and dhotis. To fit waist, body waist should be filled as per bottom wear closure and waistband. For all articles where standard sizes are waist size, standard sizes should be equal to fit waist measurements. Required measurements for nightwear. Night suit, lounge pant, lounge shorts, lounge t-shirt, pajama, thermal set. Standard size will be in S, M, L, etc. for all these articles. For one size or free size product, we do not need any measurements. Across shoulder measurements are mandatory for all topwear apparel. Lounge pants, lounge shorts, pajamas, thermal bottom. We need inseam length and to fit waist measurements. Lounge t-shirt, thermal top. We need across shoulder, chest and front length. Night suits, thermal set. We need across shoulder, chest, front length, inseam length and to fit waist measurements. Let's see the required measurements for innerwear. Briefs, trunk, boxers, innerwear, vests. Standard size will be in S, M, L, etc. for all these articles. Brief, trunk and boxers, we need to fit waist in range. Innerwear vests, we need front length and to fit chest in range. Now at the end, we have clothing fabric measurement requirements. Standard size for dress fabric will always be in one size. We need measurements in size and fit description column in inches. Top fabric length into width in meter. Bottom fabric length into width in meter. Hope this video helped you to understand sizing requirements for menswear. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye-bye. See you soon.